Hi everyone, National Wireless here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and tech video on one of GME's latest releases, the CP40. When we first look at the box, it highlights the radio comes with 5 years of warranty. The CP40 is also Australian made and owned. When we open the box, you will notice there are no soft or hard plastics. Everything is packaged within recyclable cardboard. This is a great initiative from GME that they've begun to roll out with most of their packaging. The CP40 fits well in the hands and is reasonably light, weighing in at 337 grams when put together. The radio has a decent sized LCD screen, which is ideal for viewing and scrolling through channels. There are 4 programmable keys on the front. You also have your standard menu keys. The speaker for the radio is at the top with a 1.5 watt output. The mic is close by on the bottom right of the speaker, both providing great audio. On the right side we have the accessory port. This is protected by a cover when not in use. On the back we have the belt clip and 2600 mAh battery. This battery will provide 19 hours of standard talk time. On the bottom you can see how the battery clips securely into the radio. On the left side we have a programmable button at the top, the push to talk, and 2 additional programmable keys below. This gives the radio a lot of flexibility on how you want it to be programmed and set up. At the top we have the on-off switch that also works as the volume knob, the channel selector knob, emergency button, status LED, as well as the antenna port. In the box you are supplied with everything to get the radio up and running. You are supplied with a 450 to 520 MHz antenna whip that covers both CB as well as UHF2 analog. The last 2 accessories you receive is the charging cradle, where the radio sits in docked, as well as the power lead. Overall, the CP40 is a great radio with 5 watts of output offering maximum coverage. It is great for anyone wanting to use the public CB network or would like the option of private analog channels. It is very durable with an IP67 rating. This means it is dust tight and drop resistant, as well as being waterproof to the depth of 1 meter for 30 minutes. If you'd like any further information or a free trial, please let us know. Thanks for watching.